Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video, we show you how to troubleshoot the logo light in a 2014 to 2022 Hot Spring NXT spa with a remote control and docking station. The solid blue power light indicates your spa is properly supplied with power, and the solid green ready light means that your spa water is within 2 degrees of the set temperature. If you increase or decrease the temperature setting of the spa, the ready indicator will turn off until the water temperature reaches the acceptable range for the new temperature setting. When the blue and green logo lights are flashing, it indicates that there is a flow issue. It could be caused by one of these things: airlock, clogged filter, circulation pump not working, or a bad pressure switch in the heater. A flashing blue logo light means that the spa is in high limit trip or protection mode. Disconnect the power for at least 30 seconds to reset the heater high limit. If it will not reset, it could be caused by one of these things: high limit thermistor plugged in incorrectly, clogged filter, airlock, circulation pump not working, bad high limit thermistor, bad heater, cold water startup, or a voltage spike or power outage. A flashing green logo light indicates that a problem exists with the temperature sensor or control box. If the control panel is stuck on 50 degrees, it is a bad temperature control thermistor. Here are the steps to diagnose and fix the issue. Test the temperature control thermistor or RegTherm. If the thermistor fails the test, simply replace the thermistor. If the thermistor passes the test, it means the 76836 Eagle control box is bad and must be replaced. Disconnect power from the spa, set the meter to 20K on the ohm scale, record the temperature of the spa water. Unplug the thermistor from the control box, meter across the two leads, and refer to the temperature versus resistance chart. If the temperature and resistance does not match that of the chart, this test has failed and the thermistor must be replaced. A slow flashing green logo light, on 1 second and off 3 seconds, means that the problem exists with the ACE salt system. The water icon will also flash when a problem exists with the ACE system. Go to the salt system menu on the control panel. Based on the error code displayed, follow these instructions. Error code 5. Using a freshwater salt test strip, verify that the salt levels are at 1750 ppm. Add salt per salt system instructions as necessary. Power down the spa, remove the salt system housing cap, and verify that a salt cartridge is installed in the housing. Error code 4. Power down the spa, remove the salt system housing cap, and remove the salt system cartridge. Replace the cartridge if it is damaged. Verify the salt level. If the salt level is above 2500 ppm, this may be the problem. You will now need to determine how much above 2500 ppm the salt level is by following these steps. 1. Use a clean container and fill with 4 ounces of water from the spa. Then add 4 ounces of tap water and mix to combine. 2. Using a salt test strip, confirm the salt level of this new mixture of spa and tap water. If the salt level is still at or above 2500 ppm, power down the spa, drain and refill with new water, and follow the salt system startup instructions, ensuring that the salt level is at 1750 ppm. If the salt level is below 2500 ppm, the amount of salt in the spa is not causing the error. Contact your local dealer for assistance. Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.